energy and the conservation energy concept. What is potential energy? What is conservation energy? Conservation energy can be described as the total energy of an isolated system, which is remain the same or constant, and it is always conserved over time. A conservative force is one for which work done by or against it depend on the initial and final position of the motion and not on the path taken. Potential energy. Potential energy is the stored energy possessed by an object, which is energy difference between the energy of an object in a given position and its energy at the reference position. There are two potential energy, which are first gravitational potential energy and second elastic potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in an object as the result of its vertical position or height above the ground, and also result as the gravitational attraction of the earth. Elastic potential energy is the energy that's stored by force within elastic material as a result of their stretching or compressing. For example, we can see through this video, which is the amount of the potential energy in spring is related on how much it stretch or compress, which are more compressed will use more energy. There are formula for gravitational potential energy, which is PE equal to m times g times h, which is m stand for mass in kilogram, g stand for acceleration due to the gravity 9.8 meter per second square, and h stand for height in meter. For the formula of elastic potential energy is PE equal to 1 over 2 times k times x square, which is k stand for spring constant and x square stand for amount of springs is stretched or compressed in meter. There are interesting facts about the potential energy, which are first, the potential energy is expressed in science as U. Second, the term of the potential energy was first used by Scottish engineer or physicist named William Rankine in 19th century. Not only that, the concept of the potential energy dates all the way back to the Aristotle. Fourth, an object having a potential energy also have a potential to do work. Once an object acts on by a force, its potential energy will transform into a different form of energy. Besides that, the potential energy also can determine the form of the existent matter at atomic level. There are applications that use potential energy, which can be seen through archery. When a bow and arrow is used, work must be done to bend the bow, which giving it potential energy. The energy will be converted into kinetic energy when arrow is released. Other example that use application of potential energy is first ball, which is ball in someone's hand has more potential energy than ball on the ground. Besides that, a car on a top of hill also has most potential energy. Not only that, a tennis ball, bungee ropes, and trampoline also have potential energy, which is elastic potential energy.